confusion. I'm confused as you are. This part is on the left, so I redo everything and do it on the left, not the right. Okay, and this part, this surface was this line was connected with this quadrant with the outer bigger circle and the other bigger circle. So at the end, when we do this surface, it have a common edge. It has a common edge with this back. Okay. Now the step is to create an offset to the inner offset surface inside and not solid. Okay. And blend edge. Blend surface قصدي. Again, chain edges. Select segment for second edge. The two arrows are pointing at the same direction. This is one great. Okay. So let's go to the back. On the part where the air is sucked in, using fillet edge 2 mm as radius round that edge. This part at the back. Okay. Fillet edge 2 mm. This is not joined. This should be joined. So the fillet edge would work. Fillet edge, chain edge. Okay, and enter. Yes, it is working. Should join first, so the fillet would work. So save. Okay. Step 2. This is how it should be looking. Let's get back to our first 120 mm long line. On the other end, the end where the air blows out from the dryer, create another circle with radius 6.5. Okay. Okay, let's start with a polyline 0, 120, 0, 120, and enter. This is the one that we just created, and let's move it to a layer that we can see. Let's start with a circle, snapping to the end with 6.5 millimeters. Now I'm going to hide the handle and let's keep the green layer only. The second one from the same center but 8 millimeters as radius. Center and radius 8 millimeters. The same end, right? I don't know, 8 millimeter, and another one with radius of 10 on the right, 10, then one with 16, the same center, snap to the same center, 16, and one with 18. Extrude those 5 circles by minus 15 millimeter. Extrude minus 15, because we need it to go left when looking at it from the top view. Okay, sorry. We want it to go left. 15. Okay. Next, we will blend surface by rated circles. One with the middle smallest circle. Using arc command, we will make an arc like one image below. Sweep one, make a cup. Okay, let's start with the blend. From the perspective, blend surface. 1, 2, enter, enter. Okay. 1, 2, enter. Okay. This one, we will make an arc. Center, start, angle. Okay. Center, this is the center, this is the start, and shift, this is the angle. Okay. I will trim. It made a full circle. It's fine. Let's take this arc. Sweep 1. Sweep 1. This is the rail. This is the cross section, and sweep. Great. Using line or polyline, mimic the image below. First created one line through the center and then copied it and rotated 90 degrees. Next I copied those two and rotated 45. Then each line I offset by 1 millimeter up and down and deleted the middle line. I also offset the outer circle by 2 millimeters and aligned everything in the same plane, C-plane. Have a look on this. From the right view, let's go to another layer, lock this one and 0 this line. How big is the circle? Then it's our choice to make it bigger. Polyline image through the center, copied it 90 degrees, and I copied these ones and relocate gumball to the center.